So guys, let's start with the promises today. So promise is a very important JavaScript concept. So what is a promise? First of all, so promise is a special JavaScript object that represents the result of the asynchronous operation that we receive. And promise can have three states: pending, fulfilled, and rejected. Pending is the initial state, which is neither fulfilled or rejected. And fulfilled, we know, when operation is completed successfully, and rejected is when operation got failed. So these three are the states of a promise. So let's now discuss. So why I have shown here, if you see this one, the first line till 7, this part, we have callback hells, right? These are the callback hell. So before promises, JavaScript developer use callback to handle async task. So like async task means like fetching data from the servers. So these are called the async task. But callback, if you see here, this is performing a callback hell or a deep nesting. So to overcome this, we have got promises. Why? Because promises flatten this into the cleaner chain. So this we will understand from line number 9. So from line number 9, we have a good example of a promise. So let me, yeah. So this promise, we have fetch data where we have new promise. And by new promise, this is a constructor by which we can simulate the promise. We don't have to call the actual API here. So with the help of new promise in this line, new promise, it will return us the promise, and this promise will have resolve or reject, whether this has been fulfilled or rejected. So these two states. So here we are using set timeout that will be returning this response in 1 second, and resolve data loaded. This means this we will get once this is resolved. When this is executed, we will get resolve data loaded. So this means this the function that we have created from line number 9 till line number 14, these lines will, if we use dot then to get result out of it, so this will always result us in resolved action. Why? Because we're returning resolve. So from line number 16, if you see, here we have fetch data. So what fetch data is doing, we are using dot then and dot catch right over here. So dot then and dot